I'm whispering because people are sleepy. About 20 to 7. It's Wednesday. We're going to go do groceries. PnP opens at 8, so we're starting there. We're gonna leave the house at 7:30. Sorry, PnP get vegetables. Then we're gonna go to MAKRO, which opens at 8:30, and get all the other groceries. So this is like the monthly grocery haul. Okay, so we're downstairs. We're having breakfast. I'm just having cereal. And we also have our lengthy list here. This is things we absolutely need to pick up. So hopefully we find everything. Also have my mask over there, my gloves in my bag, phone, bags. We're good to go. Hi everyone, so we got back a while ago. We had to wipe everything down with water with some bleach in it, just for safety reasons obviously, but I'm gonna show you everything that we got. Like I said, we went to Clicks, DISCHEM, IMPALA, and MAKRO. Anyway, I'm gonna show you everything. I'm actually gonna start here. I'm starting with MAKRO. We got these 2 packs of jumbo eggs. They're each 54 rand, which is still pretty good for jumbo eggs, 54 bucks. And then we got frozen chicken wings. I love chicken wings. They're my favorite type of meat to have on hand, so we got a box of those. And then we got large butcher bags. And then if I move this way, oh, let me show you that first. We have 1 pack of tissues, and then these were on sale, which is so amazing. I've actually never noticed that they had these, but our favorite flavor is this barbecue chicken one, and these are so yummy. They're so flavorful. There's 6 slices in here. They come in squares just like the picture, and then there's like 3 individual packets inside, and each packet has 2 slices. So we got 6 of those. We're actually gonna go back for more because we're missing 2 packs because there's 4 of us instead of 3 of us. So we're gonna go back and get some more of these. These were 65 rand for 2 boxes. And I got 1 box at Checkers for 50 bucks. So that was a huge save. We got a packet of these Simply Chicken original Viennas. We have 3 of these wooden spoon margarines. This one is yellow, another yellow one back here, and then we have a white one. We have a small pack of rindless back bacon. We're not really big bacon eaters, but it's nice to cook with, so we have that. Random pack of, what are these, pastas. Those are for my mom. We have some plain feta cheese for salads. Back here we have 2 tins of these baked beans. And then we have a container of Flora spread, like butter spread. We got this huge 1 kg thing of garlic. We use garlic a lot in the house for cooking. We cook with it in almost everything. I put garlic in my eggs. I literally put garlic everywhere I can. So this one's pretty good, but they also didn't have the normal 500 gram one that we normally buy. So that's why we got this one. Back here, we have the same pizza as this one, barbecue chicken. These are the mini pizza, so they're round shaped just like that instead of squares. And there's 8 in here, and this pack alone was 50 bucks. So I got 1 of those. We have a can of peach slices. My mom said she was craving those. Weird. Okay, so we have 3 cream of mushroom packets, 2 chicken noodle packets, and then 3 cream of chicken packets. So those are all the soups. We use that as a thickener for the sauce in the meat. And then here we have another one of those butter chicken packets, just the individual packaging. And then back here we have this smash. This is like an instant potato mix, mashed potato. We got the spur sauce because we're running low, even though we just got it. We have another smash back here. This is chicken korma spice. We have a curry powder. We have this Norox chili beef cubes. There's 36 in here. And then we have a box of peppercorns. This box is so little. Why don't they make a big box of peppercorns? Like, I don't understand. But anyway, we got a box of peppercorn. Oh my gosh, she wrote garlic salt. She's gonna be so upset with herself. My mom wanted garlic flakes and she got the garlic salt instead. So she's gonna be mad about that. Maybe we can return it. No, we're not returning anything. Returning anything to MAKRO is just not, it's not the vibe. We got barbecue spice. We got medium curry powder from Raja. We got chicken spice. We have cumin over here. And then we have coriander over here. We have another Norox chicken flavor stock. We have mixed herbs. And then in the front here, we have this classic savory and dessert topping. This is cream. It's for cooking, whipping, and pouring. This one takes really long to expire. That's why I like it. And you can use it in desserts and in like normal food. And it tastes really nice. It doesn't have like a weird aftertaste. And it's a big box basically. So the only thing is with the load shedding, it does tend to get spoiled before the date, but this one says it's gonna expire in September, so that's nice. We got a Craftsman Blackwell mayo, and then back here we have Snowflake. I got it right this time. Snowflake Magrinya flour mix. I don't know where my mom bought like so much. I think they are smaller packets, but they didn't have them at MAKRO. That's why she got that. But like, this is a lot. We're not gonna use all that this year. And then we got this packet of Super Pop popcorn. We've had this before, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll show you. I'm gonna move that side quickly just to get the food out of the way. We have 2 blocks of cheese. We have cheddar and gouda. We have frozen vegetables. They didn't have the country mix, which we really like, but we got this mixed vegetables that has let me tell you, the diced carrots, cut green beans, sweet corn kernels, and whole green peas. That's what's in there. And then we got a stir fry. And then over here we have some sugar, brown, and then some salt, because we were running low on salt. And then we got a box of milk. This was $64, which is pretty affordable, because like Parmalot and all those others are like $84. And then we got one of the juice box specials. This one was 4 for $120, and then the Rhodes juices was 4 for $100. These are just the flavors that we like. That's why we went with the series. We got Secrets of the Valley, Whispers of Summer, and then Apple. And the other one's also Secrets of the Valley. And then we move on to toiletries at MAKRO. We got these big mighty paper towels. We got 1 pack of those. And then we got this Sunlight bundle that they had, this dishwashing liquid. You get 3 of these big 1.5 liter ones for $120. I can't remember properly. And then we got 4 of these Domestos. That was also a bundle. Can't remember how much that was. And then we have Mr. Min surface cleaner. And then I have to go that side, but my mom decided to mop out of nowhere while I'm still busy. Okay, so if I come this side of the counter, we have 5 of these always liners. The promotion was 5 of them, 5 of these 40 packs instead of the 80 packs. Back here we have these heavy duty sponges, those cleaning sponges. We have 4 packets of these, what are these, fabric softeners. 2 of these Aroma, the blue ones. Oh. Are they the same? Yeah. These are called Vitality. And then we have, 3 baby ones, because baby ones are our favorite. Yeah. So that's what we have there. We have these duck, what are these? Cleaners and fresheners. My mom puts this in the back of the toilet where the clean water stays, and then the water is all colored when it comes out. Anyway, we got 2 of these packs. I think, how many are in here? 2, 4, 6. We have 2 of these 6 packs of the Lux soaps. I think they were like 18 bucks or something for the packet. So we got 2 of them, this red one and this one. Then we have a packet of these Kotex pads. My sister MAKRO is also selling this hand sanitizer. It's pretty thick. It's like a gel almost. DISCHEM has a lot of gel hand sanitizers, but we got this one at MAKRO. It is 1 liter, and I think it was 90 bucks, which is pretty expensive. We got these Dawn, what are these, body lotions. We got 3 cocoa butter and 1 shea butter and almond oil. Ooh, that's nice. The cocoa butter has coconut oil. Then we got toilet sprays. We got this Glade blooming peony and cherry, and then we got this Aroma floral fusion one. We have 3 Dove roll-ons here, and then we have 2 Vaselines, 1 cocoa butter and 1 aloe fresh. Then we have 2 packets of garbage bags because we ran out of those. And that is everything from MAKRO. Yeah, this is everything from MAKRO. Now I'm gonna go on to IMPALA. Okay, so at IMPALA, my mom got this 2-pack of lettuce. This was 14 bucks. She got these chips. I guess they didn't have her lemon flavor. She got 2 spicy Prego and 1 salt and vinegar. Then she got a packet of avocados. Super excited about that. I actually wanted avocados, but I didn't want to ask because we don't normally buy them. We're not really like buying things we don't normally buy right now. But yeah, we got them. They're like nice size, like 1 person can have 1. Then we got a packet of oranges. And that's everything from IMPALA. And then we started at PnP at 8 o'clock this morning. And we got 2 packets of bananas. These are pretty big. We have that, not fruit. We have that vegetable combo with onions, bell peppers, green ones, potatoes, and sweet potato. And then we got 2 loaves of bread because bread is kind of they're running low at the store. And then we got these burgers. We really enjoyed them last time. They're nicely flavored, so we got another pack. And that's everything at PnP. And then at DISCHEM, we got another one of these. My mom got these, I think, early last week. They've dropped the price from 20 bucks to 15 bucks. So there's that. But we got this sanitizing spray with 70% alcohol. This is just like an aerosol version of a sanitizer. Then we got this hand sanitizer in the liquid form. So my mom's gonna put this in a spray bottle and just kind of spray like door handles, surfaces, and just anything that we bring in. And then we got this aerosol hand and surface sanitizer, also 70% alcohol, and it's also the aerosol one. And that's just to have. So these are the 3 sanitizers that we got. And then we went to Clicks, and because we couldn't find a spray bottle anywhere, we bought this spray to have like a spray bottle. This is a window cleaner. We'll probably just add some like sanitizer to it and wipe down like glass surfaces. And then we got this Vita C 2000, and I'll show you up close what it says. It's a lot of information, but yeah, it says for colds and flus, and apparently this is really good. Someone recommended it to my mom, and so she picked it up. Here's everything. There's 2,000, no, yeah, per 1 heaped teaspoon contains 2,000 milligrams of vitamin C, and then like all these other stuff. So you can just screenshot that and read it if you're interested. But yeah, apparently this is really good to keep the flu and the cold away, which is exactly what we need right now. And I think that's everything that we bought. So that's the whole haul. I actually missed filming these for you guys, so I'm glad we were able to go and get some stuff so I could do them. But I did do small ones in between, but like this big one, I'm really happy we did. And it's out of the way, so you don't have to do it again until the lockdown is lifted. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this what is it, grocery haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see my other videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I don't have nails, so I can't do that, but that's usually my outro, so I'm just gonna like, yeah, bye.